Cough that won't quit? Try these ancient remedies science says actually work. For dry cough, honey with turmeric and pepper combines anti-inflammatory and soothing properties. Mulethi coats the throat and acts as an antiviral. Tulsi tea clears irritation and boosts lung health. For wet cough, Vasaka serves as a natural expectorant. Ginger tea breaks down mucus and clears the lungs. Sharbat-e-Unnab cools and soothes. Backed by science, it was explained that research shows honey can outperform some syrups. Tulsi opens airways and Vasaka liquefies phlegm, according to scientific studies. Nature has the cure. We just forgot where to look. Follow for ancient wisdom backed by modern science. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more.